Are listening to the Bass Rebels playlist, and I'm gonna give a recap real quick of what's going on in this stream. So let me just start on my code editor. My voice is feeling great, thank you. I already started up my virtual machine, and I'm gonna start up the port forward from it for my couch database that I'm running on from a Helm chart on K3s or Kubernetes. Thankfully, this setup was rather simple, so I'm not going to go through it all every time or at all. I don't think I ever did that. I guess I could set up classes or something sometime. Alright. That's more performance art that I don't have to write 600 pages for, which is something I'm considering now. Surprise! It was a nice surprise for me because I need something that just works. Like I need an ocean without plastic in the water and a nice beach to even be able to sit around and just write 600 pages of something creative like that. If I was gonna be truly relaxed, get over my writer's block. Okay, but for this, it's straightforward. I have motivation. All right, so I was thinking about the design, and I've looked at all of the things and decided whether they're public or not, and read only and write only. So this is kind of what I figured: is the user doesn't get shared at all. The node or resource, that's just gonna have like its through pod status. So I can deploy pods from somewhere else is what this is saying. If the user themselves like is friends with somebody and they wanna share their resource for the people to run pods on, and then they could get paid for that in the future, maybe. And then the pod configs, you can't have other people change yours, but you could have them just read it. Like if I have such and such templates, I guess it's a better word, template or deployment. And I set a long config because it's super short. So those I can just share for reading. And then the pod status or like runtime, I guess that's a better one for deployment. So that is just, like I said, if you share your pod status, then somebody or your node, somebody can run your pod. So we have replicated pod statuses across their deployment and your deployment, and it's probably going to be done through JavaScript because it's a smaller filter than what I've been dealing so far in terms of replication. And then we're gonna share volumes, and I was thinking that it would be read if it's public, and only read, like don't just allow any user who signs up to just go and change anything, at least in the beginning. So we could have read-only public ones and read and write for your friends or your own private. And then for the service, it's read and write, but it's only like you write requests and you read responses. So you write your request, and again, that can probably be replicated from your own service, from your own database to the right service. Okay, so I'm going to close this because I have a few things that I'm doing right now. One of which is, okay, so the first like small bug I want to fix, or not bug, but like improvement, is it turns out this is fine, which I kind of sort of expected, 50-50. That it doesn't matter what server you initialize. Like if you initialize the server with the non-admin user, then this works. Which means that, wow, I'm gonna have to port a lot of things to the browser. But anyway, I can definitely share this database file now. So that's number one. Number two, okay, so maybe I'll put it in the sticky because I got a lot of things. So one is share database.ts. Two, then we will have to load, initialize the admin user with its own password, with its own key. Three, compile the core bootstrap and core bootstrap and edge bootstrap. Config packages or code. For I'm gonna change the playlist real quick. Although that one wasn't bad. Okay. So compile it. Update use podconfig .ts file to upload each compiled project into the admin user's database. 5. Update admin config. If pod registration initialization is detected. And actually, if node if the node registration initialization is detected, so let's see what we're talking about here. The node registration creates these entities. Node registration in core. Oh, first it's user registration. Okay. Okay. So I could hijack or insert myself into this after my user is registered. Here, then I could pass along the flag and say, if this flag is true, then I initialize my node bootstrapper. Alright, these are my bootstrap packages. So, adding nodes. So when that node is added, this is just for adding, okay. So I guess I could use an initialization section for a pod registration. No, because this is registering the node. And usually, when the node is registered, it gets bootstrapped. I just split that off in a different service. So yes, this will have to be repurposed for if initialization argument is passed, then do this. Okay, so this. Cool. So this is bootstrapping the whole cloud, is basically what it's saying. Alright, so then I have user registration, and here I think this is gonna do what I want anyway. And then I'm gonna share database.ts after I verify that it's only the last 3 steps that I really care about. So I'll just copy and paste any code that I don't want to think about how to share, but database is fairly cool. Okay, let's build. Okay, so I'm going to clean up my database in the meantime. This build is a small amount slower, which I'm not very paranoid or neurotic about, but sometimes I do have to be mindful, like when I'm building a lot. So I usually see me switching off to the command line. I even discovered PowerShell from this terminal. Works pretty okay too sometimes. It depends, I guess. If I have a terminal open and I'm less confused by that, I have to click less. But anyway, everything from my database must go. This user config, it has some node configs because I was adding a few of my core admin nodes. So that's it. For that sticky is done. Okay, hi Friday. We're gonna have to check in on that stream every once in a while because it's not easy not failing. I guess I could write a service program that always keeps this thing running, but it would involve auto hotkey and a bunch of other things I just don't know, so things are not easy for us programmers. It's unfortunate. That's why we care a lot, I guess. What happened here? I think I deleted that too slow. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. Is it bootstrapped? It is bootstrapped. Nice. Okay, so do I have tags? No, I don't have tags because that's for nodes, sorry. No node configs. Enable users. Man, I love my voice. It just went for like a day after New Year's because it was sad that I've been inside for a year and not doing anything, probably. Sorry, I've been anthropomizing my own voice. Which is easy to do, I mean. I've seen how many times a person can get reduced to their more basic parts. In my work. Like, I had a manager who always said, don't insult the people. And then if anybody insulted the code, they'd get mad. It's like, bro, stop, stop reducing people to their own code. Not how many lines of code it is. It's how well it functions, and how much I have to update it. How future-proof am I? If you want to hear the real kind of culture of the most advanced thinking available to man, Everybody's like, I just want to go back to my coding in my overly priced office. Okay, database. Sorry, I just can't stop laughing at that. And crying. There's like a whole rainbow of emotions I go through every day just thinking about the situation everybody's in right now, and how like 5-10 years after this pandemic they'll go back to business as usual, even a year, and a lot of people will just be conservatively going back to what they know best and not trying to change anything. Okay. Database. So it works. Oh, but I didn't get my user key, did I? I did get it, but it's not initialized. So I guess instead of reading that somewhere, admin user, user admin, initialize, right. So if I change it in the database, then it will be read from the database. So here, do I even use this in it? User routes. Oh, cool. Thank goodness for that. Thank you, past Friday. Okay, so I set this up. So yeah, that's the story of how nobody pays anything for the best tools. And the micro feature profiteers get the money for getting everybody to pay for their API, believe it or not. And then we have games on Android, and like you play it for a day and then you're done, like, because everybody's monetizing, and like all these degrees of micro monetization, and then I wonder why nobody's dating. Why we have an incel problem. all the way up and down the freaking animal kingdom that's quickly going into extinction. So I'm so overwhelmed by this planet. I hope there's aliens at Proxima Centauri. Come colonize. Where were we? Oh yeah, I gotta run this. We need better colonists now. You fail. Confucius said you fail. To all the colonists. I'm glad I didn't totally fail. Okay, cool. So, now that that's got out of the way, this is usually for nodes. But on the core, I have admin privileges anyway. So it basically locks in my admin user to the core, because if you don't put your admin user on the edge, you use a different user for that. Cool. So now let's move the database object to shared. Okay. And sorry if I fall quiet today. I am trying to rest my voice, even though I'm happy and excited about figuring out all this nonsense with the bootstrapping and why I want to automate the bootstrapping of the bootstrapping pods. We'll see. See how this works. Alright. I gotta run to the loo. I'll be right back. Whoops. Maybe I'll put some music on after. I'm back. Okay. Okay. So username and password. Let's try. Who even knows anymore? Wow. Still, eh? Cool. Okay. Did I finish this? Oh, okay. No. Okay. Clean that up. I got my properties. My user admin. And then I go to the edge somewhere and I delete database. Scary, I know. Boom. And now I have node registration. That's wrong. Share. Object models. Oh goodness. It's not object models. My OCD. Oh no. What happened here? Okay. Cool. And this is node. Oh, I wonder what'll happen when it bootstraps its own node. Like, is it doing that right now? Am I supposed to wait for a node to get bootstrapped? There's my user. What's my edge doing? Nice. What? Okay. Oh, right, my former problem of configuration. That's why it's not setting up. Hold on. Hold up. Oh. There we go. So now if I run it with no problems, it's gonna throw a 409, and it just created my user. Alright. So that database stuff worked. I guess my last worrying thing is node registration. So it initializes the ability to bootstrap the nodes. So if I remove the key, will it do the same thing? Oh, the edge might not. That's one problem. So the edge. The edge user on the admin on the core. Oh, it won't. Yeah. It won't load this key. So I have to pass it back for the edge. As I'm initializing the admin user. Save. So it just populates those entries, and here I bootstrap for the edge. So on the edge, when I go user save, auth user save? No, node user save. Here. Dot end. And this one. This one. Here. And this one here. Like so. Then I go admin user after. After or before? Catch after here. And they will have, so it's only oh, and I have the admin user. So here I want to load the admin user if it's not. User load. Oh, cool. So I load the user and its key. I write to my user key. Admin user. Dot state dot key. So my admin user bootstraps across my core network, but I still require that key for any other user. Stop. Okay, so streaming still online. Did it just throw? Oh. Forget it. Okay. My config. Okay. So it loads the user. And this is where my this is also where I decide whether and report. Bootstrapping the cloud itself. This is pluripotent. Works whether I did this or not. So now I'm going to try and run it again. So let's see this key. Did I mess something up? What's going on? I think I must have. Something's not working right. Well, definitely. So it's going to copy the key anyway, which I guess is fine. Once I fix this bug, whatever it is. Not get user undefined. Okay. Let's see. Oh, because when I add my DB doesn't get passed back. User save. Right here. I could return a user. Or I could just pass it in a database. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Static database. DVR. Validate. Why am I not validating this? I guess it's okay. Oh, it's user. User admin. so that it loads. User. Okay. I have a good feeling about this. Let's see. Okay. So sad. If I close this, is it still in use? My port got stuck. Did my environment change? Damn it! No. It did not. So is it just slowly setting up, or did I have a problem? Looks like a problem to me. She's not that out of non-common, but okay. Okay. Let's try a debug terminal this time. Something through and I didn't catch it. try this line. Okay. Let's try something. All right. So because my user wasn't set up here. I know why. No user. No. Yeah. Some database apparently. App. Okay, so now I expect it all to work. Okay. Again, replace. Replace undefined. Escape new lines. Oh, sure. That's so sad. So, something's not right. Start. Well, whatever. A likely bug. State. Oh, I see. Because I'm looking in the user config. So I guess I gotta load the admin config. Okay. So I don't need this. I can change it back. Oh, I just don't need it. It's fine. And here I'm just gonna copy and paste. This, and then admin config.state.key. So here, before it exists, but after, just so I'm not confused later on. So, let's try this again. I once tried to make a Harry Potter profile, and my Harry my random name just became Harry Snotter. Very Harry. Come on. Okay. Let's try this one. Something else the matter? Admin. No, should be fine. Let's see what stage does it fail at. Shut down. I hope it wasn't just slow. Okay, good. What? Authentication error. Oh, is this not? for user authentication there. Where I see. It's an HTTP. Okay. State key. And now it works. Cool. So now my key is where it should be. Cool. Alrighty. So now the whole cluster knows the admin key. Okay, so now I'm back to, where is it? Here. Compile. So I'm feeling like it initializes the config. There's a user that gets initialized. And then with the nodes, like I can register users. Oh, because usually registration comes after. So here. It only gets deployed after. That's why. So the node. So the node deployment will be running by the time the registration is complete. That's why I want it here. the deployment service is run after this, but before the registration service is exposed. Okay. So when I initialize that, something will happen, and then I can, this will happen in fact. 1, 2, and 3. I'm liking this melody. Whoopsie. Okay. So I need where am I? In admin config. So I need user need additional properties like core bootstrap, edge bootstraps, let's see, where's the schema? Singular, plural. Okay. So core bootstrap is really dang. I gotta call it something else. Wow. Core bootstrap. Core bootstraps and edge bootstraps. Then user config. And then no user config. admin user, admin user. Oh, so nothing for Node? The Node user. Actually, I think I do want that. The user will have oh, okay. So user with types. So Edge bootstraps is going to be type config, and then here Edge bootstraps okay. So this is templates. And this is templates. And this is templates. And then this has configs. Which is just analysis. They are the same as deployed templates. They are defined. Okay. So this will be in the deployment service, and the rest are the current service. Okay. So when my admin user config gets initiated, it passes along its config as a default. And even when my node goes, it contains a template, cool, so that it can, but not a config. So that I can test my deployment service with the bootstrapper. Okay. I'm gonna leave this playing. I'm gonna take a quick pause. Okay. So I have
Thinking about coming back to Scarlet.
yes, coming back. Okay. Okay. So I just give them optional so I don't have to care about it. Edge bootstraps here. And then the node config will have node config will have pods. So those are pods, the runtime ones, but the other ones, I guess I could just call them bootstraps. So here they're bootstrapped with the same edge. Edge configs. Edge configs. And then the admin has okay, so this gets added after the user config. So this node, after it gets added, when the deployment service bootstraps it, or the initialization. No, but the deployment, because I have to worry about the rest of the initial of the core bootstrap on the edge somewhere. No, because it's here. Oh, and when it adds the no. So this registers no matter what. And then it's gonna have to, so it registers the node, and then it's gonna have to bootstrap it somewhere. It registers node. So then user admin. It takes like, I have to close this, so I'm getting confused. It takes this core bootstrap, and where does it apply the core bootstrap? To the node. So when my node is like, it's registered, but it's not going to have the user, so it's not going to know. It doesn't have the user password, to be more precise. So all I know here is that okay, so in the deployment service, I watch for the core ones, and the core nodes, and I bootstrap them. But I don't have, oh, and I have to do it for the edge bootstrapping as well. It's just, I don't have to write that property at that point, but I will anyway. I'll just do it again. This is just to check that everything gets set up properly. So I'll have a user, I'll have a node user. Okay, so it should go in one okay. One trial run, it should tell me everything. So Okay. Still going. I'm so happy. The reinstall worked. Okay. So here, right. Okay. Let's see. No. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. So Edge Bootstrap. Edge configs. On the nodes. So for now, because I don't have the deployment service, that just does for now. Edge bootstraps. Bootstraps. Okay, so I'm gonna add another user. And a node, just to ensure that everything's working properly from non-admin perspective, just plain user. So if I send it, the heck is going on? So localhost doesn't seem to be working anymore. That's different. So I guess I'll just use Is this running? Yeah. Oh, damn. It's the port. Cool. Okay, so it seems like everything's initialized, at least with a good default. And now, save this. Now I have to add the files into the database and create the folders. Okay. So I'm going to need to initialize a TypeScript project. Come on. Cool. Standard future. Okay, so it's not going to install. try the core bootstrap first. So I guess node. Wow. That's weird. Okay then. Oh wow. That's intense. Okay. So anyway, Edge Bootstrap. Is it going to install again? Is my question. Unfortunately. Node modules. No. Source. Index.txt. me think. That's cool. Types. But that's not exactly what you would call minimal. Put it mildly. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to copy my own. Wow. Cancel this. I mean, this is nice, but wow. I just want to code with TypeScript. Okay. What's going on? It's a lot of heckin' files. 50 megabyte. Come on. 100 megabyte for that. Where's, what's it called? Boilerplate TypeScript. Wow. I tried NPM, I really did. ESLint, jest, and type definitions.
Been thinking about coming back to Spotify Premium?
Nope. Why include Rota? Okay. It's not bad. Not bad. This might look a little easier. Nope. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna take my potato and I'm gonna just copy that. So Okay. So then I go to all my node config now. User config, node config. Admin user. Okay. User config, nothing. Okay, so these are all done. Okay. No boilerplate for me, boss. In the dist. That's where. So I'm just gonna delete everything. And see how it works. Just delete everything. And make sure everything works. Okay, so I kill this. I run this after I kill it all the way. Okay. Don't forget the environment in the meantime. This doesn't matter. I suppose I could prove that. See what we got. So far, only that. No. Is it just slow or am I having issues? Oh my goodness. What happened? Node password. Okay. Okay. And then if I do this. Two oh ones. Good. So I don't know what happened there with the lack of key. Oops, yeah. So node config. Starkedge bootstrap. Starkedge on the user. User config. Bootstrap. Strap. Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Let's see how many files. Yes, I can just delete everything and it'll just delete now. Because of the replications, which I actually should clean up sometime. Cool. Okay. So now that the default values are done, I can perform what's called a new service. So from here. Right. So does it have Bootstrap configs on these nodes? Bootstrap edge configs. Okay. Edge configs. So pods edge configs is going to be the statuses. Okay. Cool. So edge configs, and then the user has edge bootstraps. Right. Edge bootstraps. And then my admin's gonna have a little extra. Who's my admin now? No, this is not the right one. My admin has both edge bootstraps and core bootstraps. Okay. So I guess now I know what I'm gonna do tomorrow is I can delete this and do the three things that I set out to do. Now that I'm finally ready to import those projects automatically. So I'm going to automate this whole bootstrapping process of the two folders here, which I'll need to get running. I guess I could do something today, which is get my Hello World running. So for that, I just need to copy this into both. Well, core first. So I could install things. And then I'm gonna do not even boilerplate, it's just gonna be from DigitalOcean, I think is fine. Which is these two commands without the worrying about the versions, of course. Do 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 do. And TS lint. I know, it's deprecated. I feel so bad. Oh, cool. Put it for development. TS config, I can just copy that. TS. Module resolution. Cool. Dist. And node modules. tsconfig.json.
Like free? Well, you can get that free from
Free. Okay. tsconfig.json. Okay. So that's good. What else is there? Updating packages. Creating packages. Okay. Package.json. Package.json. Then I have scripts. There's no start. There's a main. And there's a post install. Actually, I want post install. As well as test, I suppose. Post install. And then I'm gonna have to have post install. Post install here. So this is the package and the JS. We'll have to use this. Where? So I don't need to copy anything. No need to do any of this. Except maybe like so. Oh, and I need to log that. Okay, and then I don't need this. I just need to execute my shell command, which is another can of worms. Where I guess it's not that bad. I do hope, yeah. If I just override those files or something, that would provide me like a like a way of sandboxing it. Alright, packages. I need my execute shell from command line interface. This one. That goes in my package. So now I'm going to be in dist index.js, index.ts, yes, okay. Supposedly this is a TS file. And then I go into main. But I just run this actually. I just have an index.ts and I run it. So how do I do a main? Because I do, this is a node install. Okay. I would like to package server. It's not potato. It's something else. Right, so this is dist index.js. So it's not potato here or here. It's my actual package. Whoa! There we go. So here I go start core bootstrap. So when I run this, it first of all I need to update it, and packages dist. And if I can run this with public packages run, I can get rid of my potato. Okay, so first move is to go node dist CLI start core bootstrap. So now something's not going right. Did I build it? Oh, it took a while. 60 megabytes. Bro. Is it because I installed? dark core. Yeah. Okay, so then I go here and I notice, okay, 4 kilobytes, good. So now I get to run my Edge client and see if everything was working as expected. So my node is registered. And then I'm gonna try and install this. Okay, here goes nothing. And then if this installs, then I can just copy over everything and I'm good. I can start those 2 packages. Boo 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 trap. Bootstrap. Woo. Okay, so node modules. And then TSC. Holy moly. What just happened? Woo! Okay, I guess it worked. And then dist. Wow. Index.js. I did not see this other stuff in the wow, I'm speechless. Okay, in the here, where is all the, what happened there? Is it the wrong version? Must have got the wrong version. Let's see. In packages run, I can close it. I can get rid of the potato anyway. How big is this? It's crazy. 60 megabytes from the installed library. It's a fair size. I guess it's nothing for a runtime though. Like 200 megabyte update is not nothing. No. Where package.json. Cool, so this all works, which is fantastic. And so package.json and this package.json. So this TypeScript is got that version. And it's less. No. Main. Okay, whatever. I'm confused as to why this even got populated like that. tsconfig? I don't know. Very weird. No, I don't know which stuff I can delete. Wish they'd put some kind of like folder there. You just stick everything you're gonna create that's not my projects, just stick it somewhere else. In different folders. But it would be way too easy like that. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up my space in dist. No. In packages. Potato goes away. And my TypeScript. Oh, I'm so glad I have this. Nice and liberating for me. Okay. So that's, I have to override this file and this file, I think, for sandboxing. Anyway. But I have TypeScript in my sandbox now. That's kind of assumed, because otherwise it's like, what is happening, you know? At least have that clean code idea, so that when I'm coding this, I can have good support. Stark server. TS-lint. What's TS-lint? Okay, whatever. I'm not worried. So how's this going? Good? Good. So on my run I have TS-lint now. TS-lint. Something like that. Because my server isn't running anyway, so it's not pulling the package. But it is configured here. Cool. Alright. That's it for me Friday for today. I have a 6-hour tomorrow, so I'm gonna take it easy. Thanks for watching this channel, and I hope somebody subscribes. But I'm not too nervous. I think once I have my bootstrapping, my deployment services up, and I'm done with the pods, the rest is pretty straightforward with all the settings, and the core of the orchestration shouldn't be too bad. I just have to watch some files and react to changes in those properties, like the ones that we designed today. So I'm talking about these. Where is it? Enable. Oh no, the Bootstrap ones and the Node config ones that are different. The pods, the edge configs, and the pods. So yeah, that should be it. That's it from me for Friday. Today is Saturday. Wow. Anyway, too many more.